What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. I am Oscar, your friendly neighborhood photographer, and just a quick little intro today. We got a new little filming camera. We got a DJI Osmos, which I have paired it with like this little plate that goes in the back that allows me to get different angles. And this weekend was the Raging Bulls for the Cars and Coffee, so it's just like a bunch of Lamborghinis. So we walked around. We're trying out the video camera. I'm shooting with my Fuji X-T5, and I'm paired there with the Viltrox, the 27mm. Absolutely amazing combo. I love third-party lenses. They make life so much more affordable for us, you know, starving artists. And yeah, without further ado, let's go look at some cool cars. Let me know which is your favorite. Comment down below. And yeah, see you pretty soon. I won some competition online, some photography competition, and I can't wait to maybe be able to make a video about it. So we'll talk more about it later. Enjoy the video.
And maybe it won't happen. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Pictures I just took were just worth the coming. I know. I just got bad luck. Sideways, let's get it all.
I think this looks more like.
No, whatever. Do it like this.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. They bought them. I think I have to recenter it every time.
You can't like lock it in.
I have. I'm not sure. Oh. Okay, that's better when we tap on it. Yeah. Yeah, a couple shots like this because it can become real annoying. I wonder how it came out. I wonder how that came out. It looked like it was correct. We'll find out. Look at the dog. Yeah. You got it? Oh shit. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
That's all I saw, guys. Yeah, I know you.
Yeah, I'm on just. I'm on a car that I have
Camp. Shoots cars. Hey bro, you're famous. I see you on Instagram.
Yo, what's up? How are you, my brother?
Yeah, bro.
You good?
Yeah. This here. What's this thing over here? I don't think I've met him before. It's on the video. Look at the Continental over here. one from The sunlight's working against me. The sunlight's working against me. Huh? And it, like as soon as I adjust to it, like it gets darker, so I have to readjust it again. It's okay, aperture. Is everything?
Are you going low?
I'm going high. Oh yeah, low. I always forget that it's backwards on the. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah. I think all the cars are leaving.
Yeah, so that was Cars and Coffee. First Saturday of every month here in Houston. I've made a lot of friends just through people finding me on my YouTube channel. Let me know if you're going. We can talk shop. Everybody who's a photographer loves talking about cameras. It's just something so cool, and it's so it brings the people together. Okay, well, with that being said, you guys have a great day. Thank you for checking out my video.